it's a great initiative that Moha has taken to support women entrepreneurs. Somebody who's an actor, who's an entrepreneur, who knows how important financial independence is. So I think with this initiative, what they're doing with all the participants who've come from such different places in India, Ajmer se आए हैं, जोधपुर से आए हैं, कोलकाता से आए हैं, and they're coming and presenting their idea, and all ideas were lovely, and we've chosen 3 winners who we think were good, and who I feel can also help with the brand to scale their businesses. So I had a great time interacting with them, listening to their ideas, and बहुत अच्छा लगा. बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है ये जो इनिशिएटिव है मोहा का स्टैंड ऑन योर फीट भी 3rd सीज़न में है, और मुझे लगता है कि बहुत फर्क आएगा जो आज विनर्स होंगे. तो आज 10 महिलाओं ने अपना प्रेजेंटेशन दिया, उनके जो बिजनेस आइडियाज़ हैं उन्होंने प्रेजेंट किया, उन्होंने कुछ सवाल पूछे, और उनके प्लान के हिसाब 3 विनर्स को कुछ पैसे मिलेंगे which will really help them develop their business, expand their business, achieve their dreams. और मुझे लगता है कि जो सीड फंडिंग है, जो मेंटरशिप उनको मिलेगी by Stand on Your Feet जो इनिशिएटिव है आज, वो really benefit them. मैं खुद देख चुकी हूँ कि मेरे जो सपने थे, मुझे जब सपोर्ट मिला, मुझे जब किसी ने हाथ पकड़ के आगे जाने का दिशा दिखाया, तो I really made a difference in my life. So I can see how, and there's some really wonderful presentations with some really wonderful ideas. तो काफ़ी मुश्किल था I think हम सबको winners चुनने में, but I think we've come to a decision.
आपके
क्या सवाल है, मतलब really amazing question.
One of the key aspects is that it endorses at one level it endorses it endorses whatever that we're trying to do, and I think at some level, as she mentioned, that whenever she started something new, it is always at that time when you need the most amount of encouragement and guidance and support. So this is a small thing that we're doing. हमारा जो इधर फर्क है वो डेट नहीं है या जहाँ दे रहे हैं या इक्विटी नहीं दे रहे हैं, it's pure grant. So just something that we're giving to them that they can use in their business and grow. And this is the 3rd season, and we have seen कि पहले जो विनर थे उन्होंने ये पैसा लेके उनकी बिजनेस में जो उन्नति हुई है वो सुन के उसके पिक्चर और वीडियो देखते हैं बहुत खुशी महसूस होती है. So we just hope that we keep going more and more and support women entrepreneurs.
So Moha, I'd like to ask you that हमने आपको हमेशा marathon, so ma'am, where do you see the Gen Z generation?
I think कि अभी बहुत अवेयरनेस है, बहुत नॉलेज है, बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस है, लेकिन इंडिया आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ इंडिया इज़ नॉट ऑन द सेम लेवल. मैं तो कह सकती हूँ कि मेरी लाइफ बहुत ही प्रिविलेज है, सिर्फ मेरी माँ बाप की वजह से नहीं, मेरी एजुकेशन की वजह से मुझे बहुत बेहतरीन शिक्षा मिली, और मैं जानती हूँ कि इंडिया में बहुत सारे लड़कियों को ऐसी शिक्षा नहीं मिलती, एंड थिंग्स आर नॉट फेयर. तो इसीलिए कभी कभी औरों के लिए खड़ा होना ज़रूरी है, उनकी आवाज़ बनना ज़रूरी है, टू रिप्रेजेंट. सो दैट आई फील शुड हैपन मोर. इसीलिए मैं और लोगों को इनकरेज भी करना चाहूँगी, अगले साल आप भी पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए स्टैंड ऑन योर फीट में, आप भी भाग लीजिए, क्योंकि आपके जो ड्रीम्स हैं, जो बिजनेस एस्पिरेशंस हैं, आपको यहाँ पे शायद आपको भी पता है. थैंक यू. I think it's very special event. Stand on Your Feet एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है women के लिए where everyone can kind of be on the same level, share their business ideas, and hopefully grow from here. And I think as a woman, it's always very special when I'm in a space where I can see that other women are being uplifted, other women are being kind of their visions are being celebrated. So I think एक बहुत ही special day है just to celebrate women who are doing something unique and special.
Ma'am, I would also like to ask, we have seen you in women empowerment, supporting women empowerment. So, ma'am, as a generation, the Gen Z generation, how important it is for the women to be empowered and know about what they want to do and what is wrong and what's right when it comes to men and their touch and be it or not be it, whatever.
Yeah, great question. Thank you for that. I feel like मैं originally दिल्ली से हूँ और मैं LSR में थी, Delicious Hospital में. तो मैं girls के साथ ही पढ़ी हूँ and we all have learned the importance of supporting each other, stopping something that is wrong, kind of questioning the patriarchal structure of society. So ये मेरे अंदर ही अंदर घुस चुका है एकदम. फिर आई मूवी खबर जहाँ पे मैंने ये दिखाया दर्शकों को. So yeah, like you said, it's always kind of within me to stand for something that is on the right side and always question something that is a kind of an injustice to a woman, something where she is being pulled down for. I think I would always stand for people in that way. And I'm very happy to be here and support women who are coming with a vision and a cause and a business idea that they want to kind of change their world and the society around it.
Ma'am, I would also like to ask, feminism, you support feminism, but there is also a sort of toxic feminism which is going on and everyone knows about it. So would you like to tell anything about toxic feminism and have you ever seen a case personally?
I feel like, I don't want to talk about anything in that kind of space just because I feel like today is the day where we're just celebrating women.
Yeah.
And I feel anything that is unnecessarily questioning why a woman is doing something, that is where things get a bit fishy. So today is just a day about women empowerment in the sense that we're a bunch of women today who have come to look after and uplift and question the women around us and possibly help them grow. And I think that's the main agenda.